Okay, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again. Um, Another day. We'll be trading the PM session. Something is happening. Yeah, let's try to fix that. There we go. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're good. I'm just gonna try to sort out something. Yeah. Okay. Okay. How have you been, ladies and gentlemen? Let's see. Okay. Okay. Welcome, guys. Let's get into it, man. Welcome again. So from my side, as you know, I've been holding a trade that has been on a drawdown now for the past 2 weeks, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. But how have you been? A lot has happened today. So yeah, you for the past 3 weeks, and we've just been consolidating. So so there's a few things that I'll be looking at, and then we can go directly to day trading. But as you know, I've been holding this trade for a while. And then I was looking for um, Australian dollar, Australian dollar longs. However, I missed this trade there. Very annoying. I used a Fibonacci. I was looking into entering on the 75%. Just tapped and left me. I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't add my limit. I've been procrastinating on doing that. So the market has left without me here. So I'll be staying from outside. I didn't enter the trade. So that's one thing which is annoying on my side. But also, I had a sell limit on on the dollar yen. Still tapped in. We were supposed to be tapped. We didn't get tapped. Just rejected immediately. Immediately after, before we got our limit being triggered. And then I think also a British pound. I am still hoping that we might get a trade also. But now we're starting to create lower lows on British pound for now. But I will closely be watching it and see what's happening with British pound. I'm still looking for longs and Australian Euro USD as well. Just been consolidating for a while. So we've been consolidating for a while, and also going into next week, there is also a possibility of the Fed's cutting rates and the dollar just moving lower as well. Um, the dollar will be moving lower for the next, I don't know, man. I'm generally bearish on the dollar. Oh, I'm generally bearish on the dollar. We could see just a fail on the dollar here. We break below. Oh, come on, man. We just see the dollar failing, break below, and it continues lower. So that's a possibility that you see. But if we were to look at the macroeconomics and the fundamentals of it, let's just quickly go straight to the hedge finder. Looking at the hedge finder, look at US oil. US oil is bullish now. Silver is bullish. Euro USD is bullish. Gold is very bullish. I do have gold. I'll just show you the trade that I have on gold. But I bought gold ETFs in this instance. I didn't really buy gold on its own. I bought gold ETF. Interesting. I'll be looking at CHF JPY, USD CHF, it's bearish, USD JPY, and Nikkei. And that Nikkei, we have seen the euro. What do you call this? The euro. Come on, man. I can't think properly. The 10-year treasury yield going up on the euro. But let's just quickly look at if we do quickly look at CPI for the past few times. CPI has been sticky. So what has been happening for the past few weeks? Hmm. What has been happening for the past few weeks? We've been seeing CPI slightly going up lately, but something that I've been looking for as the jobs data. The jobs data has been terrible. So the jobs data might force the Feds to cut interest rate because you look at the miss that we got on the previous jobs data. When is the next jobs data though? So we've been having that. But anyway, looking at the Edge Finder, I'm just gonna go straight and look at the Edge Finder and just quickly tell you exactly what we're looking for on the top setups. So there is Euro USD, there is silver, there is US oil on the bullish and gold. Okay, but let's just look at gold. Gold has been consolidating for a while. Look at that. Look at that. We've just right now broken into the all-time high. We are likely gonna get an all-time closer today on gold above this high, which I love. I think my trade is starting to look good. I will show you an ETF trade that I took on gold. But US oil, it's saying it's bullish now. I tried to enter, I just looking for short earlier on, but since the inflation has been sticky, we are gonna, there is a possibility of getting longs on oil. But for now, I don't think I'll just take the trade to go long. I'll just be careful. But let's look at CHFJPY. It's been a while that trading CHFJPY and what do you call this? Tell you now. Let's look at silver and Euro USD. Okay, let's just quickly look at silver. Man, I'm looking for Euro USD. It's flat. I'm gonna look for longs if we start getting lower prices before, because anyway, the euro has been the very strong pair lately this year. So I will look into that. But let me show you my gold ETF, LG, GLD. I bought a gold ETF. Where is it? Sorry, I'm just looking for the gold ETF that I bought now. Is this GLD or DDL? I'm just looking for the ETF that I bought. Sorry, I'm just looking into this. I don't know, where is it? Ah, come on, man. Okay, let me just quickly do this. Not the Nasdaq. Oh, I bought it in the JSE. Sorry, I'm just looking for the JSE ETF, new gold issue. Yeah. Look at that. So this is a trade that I have for gold. So now we see that we are breaking above this GLD now coming into the all-time high. Unfortunately, this GLD, the all-time high, the new gold issue is at that high. So the trade here is looking good for the gold. We have recovered all the losses we made. I think now we're in profit. That's one thing I wanted to see as gold breaking above to the upside, as much as there's a lot of uncertainty with stagnation and interest rate. So we see this break to the upside on the GDL on gold. So it's an ETF for gold that I'm trading as well. Um, Good trade though for now. Been holding on this trade for a while. So I'm glad now starting to work out. And I think another thing that has been moving very well, it's been silver. Please don't forget to like and subscribe as you're coming through. Thanks. Hi. Do not forget to like and subscribe as you're coming through. McFed Shorts, how are you, man? Look at, oh, shucks. Look at silver. Look at silver. Yeah, silver has been a beast, man. Look at that. What more would you want on this? I don't know, man. So this is bullish, but I'm not gonna trade this. This has not been moving for a while, so I'm not gonna trade this. It's a mess to trade. It's a mess to trade. So I think my limits, I still hold on to my limits and see how we're gonna act moving forward. So I think that's what I have, man. Let's go straight to the day trading. Okay, let's do this, man. Okay, let's do this. Hmm. That's not the daily time frame. So yesterday was, we know that yesterday was a bank holiday. Why? What happened today? Why is indices down for the day? Down 1% for the day. Interesting. I need to look into that. I've not looked into that, eh? But previous daily low, previous daily high, I've traded below. We have came into that daily fair value gap for which we are rejecting. Okay, that daily fair value gap just closed into that. Let's see here. Okay. SMT on a higher time frame, yeah. But the worry is one, yeah. We're still very far from this area. Yeah. We could get a reversal to be fair. So we could get a reversal to back to this for our fair value gap, yeah. Yeah, we could get a reversal back to this for our fair value gap, yeah. I think we could get a reversal back to this for our fair value gap. I think, yeah. We reject all the way back to that area. I think that's where I'm looking into right now. Um, yeah. I think that's where draw my liquidity is. I think I'll be bullish for the day, but I'll have to look at the lower time frame just to get the exact bias. What's my bias? But for now, it looks like a bullishness is coming through. We have a higher time frame change, market structure shift. I mean, not market structure shift, invasion. If you look back, we have tapped into a daily fair value cap. We could reverse coming, oh, coming back here. So this will be where our next move is, I think. What's your bias though? Do not forget to like and subscribe as you're coming. What's your bias, guys? I love this. I love this. This might have left me, but I love it. Hmm, I love it. Okay. This might leave the 15 minutes for the look at here. At first, um, during the AM session, we held that London 15 minutes for value gap that it left below the London low, but that was during the AM session. Because if we were to look at, you've been going lower, just rejected, they came all the way down. Now, during the PM session, we look like a continuation, directly a continuation to the upside. Could we reject and come back here and then we look to continue to the upside? I don't know. We just opened the PM session not long ago, so I love this breaker. So there is a direction for me to get a trade. Just above, lunch hour range, just above the lunch hour high. We left a 5 minutes for value gap and a 15 minutes for value gap in between if this 15 minutes closes. So yes, if we're to look back, we are inside this break, 5 minutes breaker here. But for me, I am bullish. For me, I'm bullish. Do not forget to like and subscribe, guys, please. For me, I'm bullish. Yes, we are holding that to come back lower, but I am bullish for me. Yeah, yeah, bullish. What's your bias for tonight? Mhm. Yeah, so I think I'm bullish, man. I think my overall bias is bullish. Just waiting for the 15 minute first 15-minute presentation closure, and then I'll explain what I'm looking for. But I'm bullish. Get that move. You could get a rejection here to just get a short trade to get a long trade within this breaker if you're that kind of a person. Not me. Not nah. Yeah, I think I'll go long. I'm not even gonna take shots today. Yeah, I'm not gonna take shots today. Today ain't gonna take shots. I'm not gonna take shots today. I'm not gonna take shots today. Okay. Yeah, breaker. So the breaker. So I've determined my bias, ladies and gentlemen. I am. Oh, come on. My bias is when I look for something like this. That's where my directional bias is. That's where my directional bias is. I'm not gonna even look for a trade within this breaker here. You could look for a trade within that breaker to come lower. Let's see. Nah, that would be risky for me. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah. 15 minutes closure here. Yeah. Okay. So I think what I just said is the highest possibility. So I'm gonna wait for something like this. Whatever I do, I am bullish for tonight. So that's my bias. Just gonna look for longs as we come back lower. For now, nothing. I'm not gonna pull the trigger. I'm gonna pull the trigger. If we were to check lower time frame as well, there is an S. Oh, come on, there is an SMT here. So if it gives me a lower low and a lower high, then I will look for a trade there. Yeah, I'm bullish. Bias? What's your bias? Do-do-do. La la la. I'm gonna just get some water, guys. I'm coming. What has been happening today on the markets, man? I lost touch today on the markets, to be honest. I lost touch of the markets today. To be honest, I don't know what has been happening. So I'm just gonna look for this trade there. Let's see. I'm so thirsty. I need water. I need water. Okay, let's watch and see, man. Oh God, I'm super super thirsty. So Sometimes this is the time where you just have to be patient. There's nothing you can do. You just have to be patient. So my idea is to get 200 subscribers before the end of the month. I might have a giveaway. I might be working on giving you a giveaway with Tickmail. So if you like and subscribe, I'll decide what to do. So I just upgraded my space. I'm busy upgrading, and then I'm busy working on a morning stream, ladies and gentlemen. Within the AM session, South African time, I will be streaming early in the morning. Um, so between either half 6 or 7 a.m. South African time. The reason being, what's happening here? Yeah, okay, it's consolidating. The reason being is just to look at my stocks, watch over my stocks, and broaden my scope. Right now, I'm about to broaden my scope and take trading serious. And I'm thinking of blogging my ideas on trends and YouTube. I mean, and Facebook. So please just click the link in the bio, subscribe and like on my Facebook, and also come and subscribe on YouTube. We'll be doing this more often. Today might be boring day, so I'll be continuing with my work as well. I have a deal to close, so I'm super thirsty. Let me get something to drink. I'm coming. And also, super thirsty. I am also looking for where can I download? Okay, I'll do that now. This is called now. What's in the fridge? Okay. Back. Let's see what's happening here. Can I get shorts yet until this low? Maybe I can, eh? Maybe I can, yeah. Maybe I can. Maybe I can. S&P is low. Okay. Just gonna be watching what's happening here. Ah, no. Let me not take the shots. You could get shots if the next one break below this low, gives a lower low, leaves a gap here. But today I've told myself I'm not shorting and just go long here until this low. That's possible, but I'm not gonna do that. Told myself today I'm only gonna long, so let me not even think about it. But let's see what happens here. Get invasion leaves a fair value gap. You could short until this areas where I want to long, but I'm not gonna do that tonight. I don't think tonight I'm interested in shorting the market. Hmm. Yeah, tonight I'm not interested in shorting the market. I think I'll go long. So yeah, I think so. I am not interested. Okay. Uh, and then that's this is a good move coming lower, hey? Let's see. It is slowly coming to my space where I want to short. Let's see where I want to long. But I shot this though. Mm. That's a possibility of shots, eh? But no, not gonna shot. Not gonna shot. I still need lower prices for me to say I'll short. Not gonna short. For me too long, I suppose. Oh, where can I get music, guys? Look at that rejection. So you look to enter a trade, yeah. So if we're looking for shorts, you could look to take a short here, but not for me, man. I don't think I want shorts today. I don't think I want shorts today. I don't think I want to short the market today. And I'm tired, but I don't think I want to short the market today. So, yeah. Hmm? No, I downloaded the wrong music. I'm trying to figure out, yeah. I'm looking for lower prices that I can long the market. I'm also trying to download something. Do not forget to like and subscribe as you're joining. I'm looking for to go long. We could have one short here, but this is not my cup of tea, man. Unless we break below and you think you can just see something. Wanna see something? Remember, I said I'm not gonna short the market today. Let me see. You get a shot like that. That would be decent. That's a decent shot. But for me, I don't think so. So for me, I'm more comfortable looking for longs. I just wanted to come back to this kind of 15 minutes below. There's a 5 minutes. If I look up with a breaker. Yes, there's good opportunities to short the market here, but not for me. The reason why it's a good, there is a breaker below 5 minutes breaker. It held that breaker, and now it looks like we are coming lower. Um, very good possibility of shorts. Very good possibility of shorts. So do not forget to like and subscribe, please. Hey, these shorts are tempting me. Hey, let's see how it closes here. Now these shorts are tempting. But I told myself I'm not going to short. Look at that. At first, I thought that will hold and held. I'm going to try it. Oh, flip, closing inside. It's closing inside. I'm not. If it closed up below, but now it looks like it's closing inside. I think I'm going to try it. Let's see here. This is cleaner. This is cleaner. Okay. Between the two, which one is weaker? Which one is strong? Let's see. Um, I'm gonna go short. It has left without me, guys. Okay. It has left without me. And I'm gonna take a trade where it is. Yeah, it has left without me. I was looking to take a trade, but I think it's gone. Look at that. I was extremely slow in taking a trade. So if it comes back again, to that point, I think I am ready to take a trade. Yeah. But it's gone, to be fair. Okay. Let's see. Unfortunately, I couldn't take this trade, eh? Ayivumanga. Ayivumanga. Yeah, ayivumanga, guys, unfortunately. I apologize. It has left without me. I apologize, ladies and gentlemen. That was a good trade. But let's see, we still have an opportunity to go in again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We still have an opportunity to go in again. So let's hope it will allow us in. Na, 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 na. Doo-doo. Okay, it has left without me. Oh, it has left. Okay, let's see if we're gonna get tapped, man. I'm just gonna give it a few minutes and see if we're gonna come back to that and maybe perhaps have an opportunity to enter. If not, if we get that invasion and closes lower coming down, and then I think I'm gonna call it quits. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Just gonna wait for this trade. If it rejects and comes close below, if it comes and close below, yeah, I don't think there's a need for me to still look for shorts. When I cancel it, oh, come on. Missed me again. Oh God. Interesting times. Interesting times. Okay. I mean, good news. I'm in a trade. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ah, I believe we still do have downside. Um, Perhaps maybe a mistake that I will have done. It was supposed to maybe enter on that low on the first presenting fair value gap as we change character. Uh, but just waited for that closure. So if we get that closure and we close below this candles here, I don't think there's a need for me to hold on to more risk. I might de-risk because we are coming into this 15 minutes fair value gap. Remember that I said I'll look for longs on it. So, ta-da. So don't forget to like and subscribe as you're coming through, guys. I'll appreciate it. Um, I'm gonna try get music for us guys as we stream. I don't know if it will work or not, but let's try. Can I set by genre though to this duration? Uh, Okay. Movement. Movement. 100. This thing is barcoding, eh? I don't like the barcoding of the risk. Break even. I don't like the barcoding. Okay, stop loss at break even. I just don't like that it's barcoding. I'll want it to move as fast as it can to come lower. Remember, my idea was to go long, so there's no need for me to stay on this barcoding thing. So my long idea still stands. I just don't like that it's barcoding. I'll have loved for it to really flip that. So, and you're failing to break below the 50% of that. So I don't want to hold on to more risk. I think the mistake that I did with this trade, possible if there's any, it's failing to take a trade at that hard, dating this trade, yeah. Because possibly if I didn't doubt this short here, let's see, now be 1:1. So already your target is this low. Your break even of the first fair value gap with a breaker that is holding perfectly. So I will in, then that will be break even point as well. So you clearly see that clearly you're totally de-risked. So I think I'm happy with break even right now. Starting to distribute lower now. Okay. Close below. You see why I didn't want. I just decided to de-risk. Look at that. Just failing to break below. And if we were to look at it, look at that. We are inside a 1 minute fair value gap here. So that might be holding us back. Once we invade that, I think we are good to go short. So I think I'm happy with my decisions here to move to de-risk. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. Just want to say invasion. Hopefully, we get back lower. Okay. Come on, man. Nice move, man. I love it. I love it. Doo-doo-doo. That close, that's very good for my trade. Perfect, man. I love it. So I think we are good now. Okay. I'm happy. Yeah. Happy. Love it. Okay, stop loss at break even, no risk. Just sit, man. Let's just sit and watch. We've just got an invasion of this 1 minute for value gap close below. We are reacting to that. Stop it. So far we could be safe until just want to see it rolling over down, man. Uh, yeah, I'm happy with my check profit. Yeah, what's happening here? Oh, look at that rejection. It's rejecting back to our entry. Interesting. Oh, look at that reject. So it's rejecting all the way to my break even now. Mm. I hope it's not gonna get to take me out. Okay, let's try this music. I hate this, eh? What's this? No, I'm not there for that now. Yo, look at how it missed my stop loss. Yes, yes. Look at how it missed my stop loss. Yo, we got an invasion. Oh, it flipped that entire thing. Hey, shit. Look at how it missed. Oh, no, this is not gonna hold. Yeah, it's not gonna hold. It's not gonna hold. Just wait and see, but I don't think it will hold. Yeah, let's try it, man. Let's try streaming with an audio. I don't think my trade will work out anymore. Ta-dam. I love that it's rejecting though. Let me see how is the sound. Just want to see how loud it is. Yeah, let's just continue with our testing and see. Let's just continue with our testing and see. Okay, we are good. So trade still looking good. So I'm just looking for low prices now. If it gives me that, I'll be happy. I just wanted to react at the 50% of that 15 minutes per value gap. How's the sound? Come on, man. I still want this 1 minute to hold. Yeah, I still want this 1 minute to hold. Look at that. If it breaks and come back up, I have no hope that this trade will work out, man. Let's see what's happening with S&P 500. Yeah, it's not gonna work out. That's supposed to hold. Yeah, this was supposed to hold. I don't think it'll work out. Okay, the trade so far, it's good. It's a good trade. Yeah, no, I didn't complain about my trade. I think it's a very, very good trade. So it's a matter of do you want to take profit there or not? But other than that, it's extremely good trade. Through thick and thin, you're holding. Hmm. You know, sometimes when you trade, a move like this, um, and then it doesn't work out to get a trigger. It hurts sometimes. It hurts sometimes. It hurts sometimes, but it's part of trading. I don't like that rejection. I wanted that candle to just continue lower. But this one break below. Once it breaks below, come back nicely. I'll be happy, man. Do not forget to like and subscribe. I hope I won't have any copyright infringement. Come on, man. We still have enough time, though. That's all I can say. Do not forget to like and subscribe, guys. I'll appreciate it as we go to 1,000 subscribers. I'm planning a surprise for everyone. Come on, man. It's looking good. Just flash down. I had a trade like that. Yeah. Sorry, let me just text this one. This thing doesn't want to really. It's annoying, eh? This is annoying, to be honest. Just goes back and forth, back and forth. Um, should I readjust my take profit to this low? I don't know. Decide. But let me just hold on, man. Oh, we've tapped here. Now I need to take serious decisions. Oh, I see. Oh, shucks, I see. Okay. Oh, flip, I see. Okay. I'm gonna be aggressive on my stop losses now. I'll move my stop loss very aggressively. Let's see. Just gonna see what's happening here. This thing might flip, by the way. Okay, good move, I should say. Oh, come on. This thing, oh, come on. Okay. No, no, it doesn't want to do what I want. Why did it close? Because I already tapped into this 15 minutes. So once it flips this low, I think once it flips the way it is now, okay, my stop loss is here now. I think once it flips here, stop loss here. To be fair, I don't think once it flips here, my longs are validated again. Um, so I don't think you could take profit, yeah, but just sit here. Let me become brave and hold. Let me be brave and hold. Now it's about moving stop loss very aggressively, man. The next move closes below here. I'm gonna move my stop loss to that low. Yeah. So, because I think once it flips, it's done, man. Just I don't wanna move my stop loss here yet. Let me see. Can I? Let me see. Okay. Stop loss is trimmed now. So whatever happens now, I'm just gonna hold the trade until the end. Secured a lot of profit. I think. Okay, I'm out. Okay. Am I hit with the trade? I think I am. Yeah. I think it's the decent trade. Stop triggered. I think I'm done. So I'm gonna look for longs now. Okay. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Can I have some W in the chat? If we flip that, I'm gonna be bullish. Flip that, I'm going long. As I said earlier, remember our first plan? Good trade for today, gentlemen. I think it's a decent trade for today. Yeah. Happy with this trade. Yeah. So if we flip that, it's gonna be bullish. Yes, my stop loss was gonna be here, but I just thought there's no good distribution, so I just wanted to secure 1 is to 1.5. I think that's decent. Yeah. Let's see what was my risk to reward. I think this was decent. So I close it off. Yeah, 1 is to 1.4. There, okay. Yeah, it's fine. I'm happy with that. We could still go low and come back to where our take profit is. Yeah. But given the circumstances, we might flip. So if we flip, I'm gonna look for longs. So you see why sometimes you just gotta be careful. If we flip, I'm gonna look for longs. I hope you're understanding where I'm coming from, chat. Let's see. Okay, I think the longs are coming through, chat, all the way back to 50% of the 15 minutes for value gap. Yeah, okay. I hope, chat, you're understanding why I'm considering long now. 50 minutes for value gap after the slow push to the upside. 5 minutes of tap into that is also this here. So chat, okay, just gotta be careful how we move from here. Okay, let's see how we close, chat. Draw my liquidity. Let's see. Didn't leave any fair value gap, so I'm not gonna enter yet. If it left a fair value gap, it was gonna be valid for me to enter. No, I'm not gonna enter yet. Okay, I'm gonna enter it. Gonna stay out. Yeah, but I love the fact. Uh, Tap into that. We push market structure shift there. This guy's lagging. Okay. Hmm, okay. Oh, look at that, chat. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that, chat. Ah, flip. Our second trade is gone. Oh, chat. Oof. Okay, it's done, chat. Okay. This is what I was looking for. I think it's done, chat. Even if I were to contemplate taking a trade here. Let's see. But this will be trade gone, chat. This? I don't know, man. We're just gonna attempt. But fair value gap there. Okay. Let me see. Let's read price action, chat. Gone, chat. No, it's gone. My bad. With the breaker here. So this will be your trade. Stop loss below there. Ah, it's gone, chat. Okay, it's done. That would be decent as well. But it's done, chat. I think we can call it a day. Nah, it's done, chat. Okay, we only got one trade. This will be a beautiful trade. This is the trade that I've been waiting for all day long. So this is a trade I've been waiting for all day long. Unfortunately, um, the market being the market, I couldn't get it. Okay, it's done, chat. It's done. Okay, wanna call it a day? Yo, what the hell? Yo, nope. Wanna call it a day? Okay, one trade is enough, chat. I was looking for a return trade to the upside, as I told you that I'm gonna look for shorts, look for longs. So here how our day happened today, chat. Oh, this trade would have been beautiful though, chat, but it's fine. Don't force it, man. So, let me see. Hmm. But I'm not gonna force it. I think all my plan for the day it's done, chat. So yeah, I'm not gonna force it. It's complete, chat. If you're brave, man, you could look for a trader. I don't know if you wanna put your stop loss there. Let's see. I just don't like trading after such momentum. After this good momentum, why would you enter a trade? But anyway, let's get into it, chat. How we've been looking for a trade today. Good news is we got our trade. Very great trade management. I love that as well. So here's how we got our trade, chat. We saw a rejection. Okay, let's go ahead into it. Just a quick recap. Um, Came back to the PM session. Market moved to this 55 minutes fair value gap here with a breaker. We saw this, we started to see a slowdown and a rejection to come back to this 50 minutes fair value gap. And as I said when we started the stream, my definite idea um, was this 50 minutes fair value gap to look for longs. That was what I was looking for at first. But as I was sitting on a 1 minute time frame, I saw this slowing down on the market and we saw that high. We immediately flip lower. I was watching this red candle earlier to see if we're gonna get a closure below. We did get the closure below, but I did just doubted this trade here. I doubted this first entry, but I was comfortable taking a short here because we saw a breakup with a 1 minute gap here. I think when that presented, I was a bit comfortable taking the trade that I was looking for. Looking for the trade that I was looking for. And then, so I decided to go short shares, yeah. Stop loss was just above. My target was this 50%, yeah. But remember, you should also be watching S&P 500. What is S&P 500 doing? Look at that. This thing didn't even give an opportunity for an entry. It just flashed. Yo. Yeah, that was a flash. Anyway, so I saw that S&P 500 has stepped into 50% of the move, and then I decided to say, okay, with that being said, we've already tapped into 50%, so I started moving my stop loss very aggressively tight. I started moving very tight. I just got there. This is what I got. 1 is to 1.5. 1 is to 1.5. What's this? I got a 1 is to 1.5. Got a 1 is to 1.5. I went out on a 1 is to 1.5. Very decent trade. I was looking for a return trade to the upside. So if you've been watching the stream, after we tapped, I said I'm going to look for longs. We saw that we broke up as a market structure shift. I would have loved for that to close high. It did close high, but I was waiting for this red 1 minute candle to close with this closure to leave a gap. That gap was left here. As I was still thinking, contemplating, it just moved. So the second trade was here to target this high. So this is the two trades that I was looking for today, chat. Unfortunately, we only got one. Other than that, well done to everyone that joined me. It's been a great day. I think today was a good day. I think we did well. We managed our trade very well. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me. Um, See you once again tomorrow. Same time, same place. So today we did well. Well, let's see tomorrow. See tomorrow as it because we've been on a drawdown as we try to recover our drawdown. Other than that, I appreciate all of you guys. And this was our trading show, trading the closing bell. Thank you so much. I think I'm done for the day. See you tomorrow. Same time, same place. Let's see who's here. Okay. No one is here. So anyway, thank you so much, guys. See you tomorrow.